Welcome to Tech Tips 101. I'll guide you to install Driver for Windows. Open your browser. Search for Drive for Windows. Click the second option as shown on the screen. Click on the option for your system. Now wait for it to download. Open the file when it is done. Check the options that you want and click Install. Launch it when it is complete. You can sign into your account that you want to use. If this video helps you, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Close the windows once you have successfully signed in. When you see the welcome screen, click Next. You can sync to Google Drive, but I will skip it. This pop-up shows that Google Drive is running. Open File Explorer. To open your Drive files, there's a shortcut here. Click on it. Click on My Drive. You will find your files in there. This ends this tutorial. Please subscribe for more videos.